still getting used to my dark hair. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, I just dyed it. And yeah, today it's actually a sweater weather. I don't want to jinx it, but I'm in a sweater. It's a little chilly. Hopefully that's how it's going to be and it's not going to be hot later. But yeah, I'll be in my workspace today working on a couple orders, and then we're going to head over to downtown Riverside, just my husband and I. We're going on a little date. It's been a while, just us two. So we're excited. We're going to go to our favorite sandwich shop in Riverside. I'm going to be linking it below in case you are in Riverside and you need a place to go. And we're going to probably visit a couple little shops in the area. So it'll be a cute day today, and I'll be taking you guys around. Just came back from the plant shop and I'm so inspired. I want to make paper plants, and I'm really excited to just experiment on just paper and then how to turn it into paper plants. Hopefully I could come out with some decent ones. I actually also bought this cute little mushroom candle. How cute is that? I actually lit it already, so it smells so nice. I love it. This is gonna go on my desk with my new desk setup. I actually just got a monitor stand. It's definitely giving me a lot of motivation to work, so I'm gonna get to work. finally October. I'm making my first pumpkin bread of the year. I'm so excited because this is my favorite recipe. If you guys didn't know, I joined Weight Watchers about a few years back and I have lost 40 pounds. It was kind of not only a diet but a lifestyle change. So I try to make semi-healthy meals that are also comfort food. So pumpkin bread is definitely a favorite, but I try to make it so that it's semi-healthy. I don't substitute sugar though. I try not to use fake sugar. I'll be listing the recipe below in case you guys are interested. It's definitely delicious even though it's semi-healthy, I promise you.